The major arcana in the tarot represents major life themes, spiritual lessons, and deep transformations. If you're the sitter, the person getting the reading, the best cards can be subjective depending on your situation. But generally, these are considered the most positive. Here are what I consider to be the best cards in tarot, along with the shadow side. Enjoy. Jeannie. The Sun, why it's the best. Joy, success, enlightenment, clarity, and positivity. It represents happiness, fulfillment, and the feeling that everything is finally going your way. It can indicate personal growth, good fortune, or achieving a long-awaited goal. Shadow side reversed meaning, overconfidence, false optimism, burnout. The too good to be true effect things might seem perfect, but are they? It could mean someone is pretending to be happy while ignoring deeper issues. Sometimes, it represents missing clarity, things aren't as bright as they seem. 2. The Star, why it's the best. Hope, renewal, inspiration, spiritual healing. It's a reminder that better days are ahead, and you're divinely guided. Represents a period of emotional recovery, creativity, and faith in the future. Shadow side reversed meaning, doubt, despair, feeling disconnected. It can indicate losing faith, feeling uninspired, or struggling to believe in yourself. This could suggest healing is taking longer than expected, or you're losing sight of your dreams. 3. The World, why it's the best. Completion, success, wholeness, achievement. You've learned your lessons, reached your goals, and are stepping into a new, fulfilling phase of life. It can indicate travel, graduation, or any major life milestone. Shadow side reversed meaning, unfinished business, delays, stagnation. You might feel stuck in a loop, unable to move forward fully. A goal may be in sight, but something is holding you back from achieving it. Sometimes, it's a fear of stepping into your power and accepting change. For the Empress, why it's the best. Nurturing, abundance, creativity, divine feminine energy. Represents prosperity, self-love, and strong intuition. It can indicate pregnancy, new ideas, or a flourishing period. Shadow side reversed meaning, neglect, creative blocks, smothering energy. This could indicate overindulgence, laziness, or being too focused on material things. It may point to someone who is overly controlling or emotionally suffocating. It can signal self-doubt, lack of confidence, or feeling unworthy. 5. The Fool, why it's the best. New beginnings, adventure, spontaneity, unlimited potential. Encourages a fresh start, trusting the universe, and stepping into the unknown. It can invite taking risks, exploring new opportunities, and embracing freedom. Shadow side reversed meaning, recklessness, naivety, poor judgment. It could indicate impulsive decisions, ignoring consequences, or not thinking things through. A warning not to rush into something blindly. It can also signal fear of change, hesitation, or self-doubt holding you back. 6. The Lovers, why it's the best. Deep connections, love, alignment, soulmate energy. It can represent a strong partnership, trust, and meaningful choices. Encourages authenticity and making choices from the heart. Shadow side reversed meaning, disharmony, bad choices, toxic relationships. This could indicate a problematic decision where both options have consequences. It may represent an unhealthy attachment or a one-sided relationship. Can warn of inner conflicts or self-betrayal. 7. The Magician, why it's the best. Manifestation, willpower, confidence, resourcefulness. A reminder that you have all the tools you need to create your own reality. Encourages action, focus, and turning ideas into reality. Shadow side reversed meaning, trickery, manipulation, illusions. Could mean someone is using their talents unethically. Warning against deception, either by you or someone around you. Sometimes points to self-doubt or feeling powerless. Final thought, are they really the best? Even the most positive cards have a shadow side. A great card can turn into a challenge if you're not in the right mindset or ignoring deeper issues. On the flip side, a seemingly bad card, like Death or the Tower, can actually be a blessing in disguise. leading to transformation and necessary change. In tarot, it's not about good or bad. It's about understanding the message behind the card and how it applies to your journey. Would you like me to cover some of the worst major arcana cards next?